In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use quotations on Xero effectively, whether you're using it for the first time or just need a quick refresher. Managing quotes is a vital part of running a business smoothly, allowing you to provide accurate information to your customers, maintain clear communication, and keep everything organized efficiently. Let's begin by logging into your Xero account. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of your Xero dashboard, where you'll notice a prominent plus icon. This icon is handy for creating new items quickly and is your gateway to various functions. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. When the menu appears, you'll want to select the quote option. This will open up a new form where you can start crafting your quotation. Now, let's delve into the details of the quote itself. First up, you need to enter the contact details of the recipient. This means choosing the customer or company you wish to send the quote to. Ensure that their information is accurate to avoid any miscommunication later on. Once you've filled out the necessary contact details, it's time to move on to the items and costs involved in this quote. Include a clear description of the products or services you're offering, as well as the quantities, prices, and applicable taxes. This part is crucial because the more detailed and precise your information is, the easier it will be for your customer to understand the value you are providing them. After filling in the relevant financial details, don't forget to specify the terms. These terms might include the validity of the quote, payment terms, or other important conditions that you want the client to be aware of. Ensuring the terms are clearly outlined can help prevent potential misunderstandings and establish clear expectations between you and your client. Once you're satisfied with all the details you've entered, you have a few options for moving forward. You can simply click Save if you're not quite ready to send it yet, but want to keep it on file for later. If you're ready to send it, you can choose to send the quote directly via email to your customer, which Xero conveniently allows you to do by integrating seamlessly with your email platform. Alternatively, if you've already sent it through another means, but want it logged in the system, you can save it as sent. This feature helps keep your records up to date and maintains a digital trail of your business activities. And there you have it. You've just completed creating a quote on Xero. By following these steps, you ensure your quotations are professionally handled, maintaining clear and effective communication with your clients. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on making the most of Xero in your business operations.